Track 11. End of year test.
What are you doing, Lucy?
I'm revising. I've got a maths test today.
Really? Do you like maths?
No, I don't. My favourite subject is ICT, but I don't like maths. It's really difficult.
Who's your teacher?
It's Mr. Williams. He gives us a lot of tests. Are you revising too?
No, we haven't got a test. I'm doing my French and English homework. But I don't know many French words.
My mum's French. Let me help you.
Really? Lucky you. Okay. How do you say swimming pool in French?
It's piscine.
Can you spell that for me, please?
Yes, it's Piscine.
Great. Thanks very much.